P.O.C. circling over the square, 9NKM097, 6Z32151. I just want to be clear, this is the population sentiments toward the U.S. This is, you already know that agency, they're engaged in stalking. Burt Nick is going to prison. He's gang stalking under the fake sun. And that's the agency that claims that the people of the state called them lying about something that you engage. That's how they engage in what is criminals summoning together and furtherance of murder while they're gang stalking you. And now the entity is circling over this location. What do you have in common? The fake sun over me. It's 9:28 a.m. This is the entity that's gang stalking, operation of communication device, don't have to speak with you, stalking you with impossible light, while the entity is a helicopter. Okay, didn't go anywhere in the previous video. Stalking in the path and using a helicopter to do so is the certifiable conduct. So on the roads and the highways as a population is certifiable conduct. They're going to be prosecuted and mentally assessed. That's the routine prosecution for terrorists in the United States. License 7WQM293. When you're engaged in psychopathic behavior like stalking with light, it's going to be routine with regard to being included in your assessment. 71364B4. 7LUW483. Like I said, this is surveillance. It's not traffic. And this is the communication of how they actually feel. These are the domestic enemies that I told you that they are. Enemies of the United States. Attacking and targeting American citizens. Kidnapping them together. And then engaging in acts of violence when you expose it. They murder people. They kidnap people. They bear false witness. They summon the gang stalking, the terrorist leaders to commit murder. And then they cover up that crime. They're going to federal prison. They're being prosecuted. This is the prosecution of the U.S. government that's engaging in the P.O.C. in California. And the X790NO is going to be published on a list so that you can look up terrorists like this who will not be able to receive government assistance. They will not be able to apply for any job documented as a terrorist. And you're talking about what is federal prison, by the way, regard to gang stalking with the police. When they're engaged in those elements together, that's federal prison. Okay, that's an impermissible threat posed by the entity. These are not private citizens. They're going to be prosecuted. Church's Chicken, Cardenas is still monitoring. Okay, the gang stalking, the Latino culture, they're inside of that grocery store fuming because of what I documented. And I want to be clear, it's not going to help you with regard to whether you're a gang stalking immigrant, you're being deported. Okay, all you're doing is demonstrating your unworthiness to be in this country. While I'm documenting ongoing terrorism, because of your mental illness, you do not understand, nor can you recognize, nor do you appreciate under the law, federal law, whereby you've been given a privilege to be here, gang stalking with the government. That's the revocation of that presence here. It's a privilege. And they're targeting while you're exposing that. You're going to prison, and then you're going to be shipped out of here. 9RWV151, 93958W2. And gang stalkers of the Ontario Police, any of them that are immigrants, they're being deported. I mean, the demon-possessed gang stalking terrorist leader, down to the demons that are gang stalking of the Pet Services Department of any police department, you're being deported. You're being treated just like every other terrorist. This is P.O.C. That's the entity engaging what is gang stalking. 9:30 a.m., not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. That's why they circle right back around to engage in another iteration of the pattern of conduct. That's Union Pacific, under the fake sun, monitoring on the railroad tracks. That's relevant to interstate commerce. This is still federal stalking under Title 18. This is the comprehensive prosecution of a bunch of demons who have been intellectually outmaneuvered. And you're going to be kicked out of this country as well. This is P.O.C. It's 9:31 a.m.